In today's fast-paced business landscape, every dollar counts. And that's why understanding how to harness the power of credit card rewards is absolutely essential. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ari Page, and today we're talking about how to maximize reward points on business credit cards. If you're a small business owner or someone who's looking for ways to save money and get the most out of your business spending, then this video's for you. We'll look at some tips and tricks for making the most of your reward points and how to choose the card that'll give you the best return. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep seeing more videos just like this that'll help you grow your business and make the most of your credit. Now, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So, the first step in maximizing your reward points is to choose the right credit card for you and your business. Many credit cards offer great rewards and incentives, but it's important to read all the details and compare offers from different banks. With these cards, you'll want to look for offer points on everyday purchases such as travel, groceries, and gas, along with sign-up bonuses, which can be an easy way to get even more points. But the most important tip is to choose a card where the reward structure makes sense for your business and spending. For example, if I choose a card that has 6 times the reward points on hotels, but I don't travel a lot or I stay in Airbnbs when I travel, I can't make the most of this offer. On the other hand, if I've got a card that offers 5% cash back on grocery stores, gas stations, and office supply stores, that offer would make more sense for my business and spending habits. Choosing my business card like this allows me to maximize the cash back or rewards points from that card. Now, once you've chosen the right card for your business, it's time to start earning. Remember to use the card whenever possible to increase the number of points you accumulate. Some cards may offer additional perks like discounts and cash back, so be sure to check for those as well. One of the best tips I can give you is to choose your card for purchases based on the rewards or cash back you get. And what I mean is, if I'm at a restaurant and I've got 3 cards, 2 offer rewards points specifically for restaurants, while the other offers 1% cash back on all purchases, I should pay that restaurant bill with whichever card gives me more in return for using it. When you use your card strategically like this, you'll multiply the amount of reward points or cash back you get from each transaction. And finally, make sure you take advantage of stacked cash back, discounts, and rewards through shopping portals. You're probably wondering what in the world I'm talking about, but a shopping portal is a website that rewards you for shopping with extra miles, rewards points, or cash back. And that's in addition to any rewards or cash back you already get from your card. There are so many shopping portals out there. Some that come to mind right away are Capital One Shopping, Amex Offers, and Wyndham Resorts. Each portal works a little differently. So remember to read the instructions for each one on how to claim offers, but I'll use Amex Offers as an example. Basically, how it works is you log into your American Express app or online account to view the offers. Now, look for the offer you want and click the plus sign on it and add it to your American Express card. Then your card becomes eligible so you can go to that merchant, swipe your card at checkout, and the rewards will be automatically applied to your account. And that's it. You just got extra rewards without doing anything tedious. These shopping portals all have different offers for travel, dining, shopping, and entertainment purchases that you can take advantage of on top of whatever rewards and cashback your card typically offers. Now, I always get asked about annual fees. Some people really love the rewards or cash back that comes with a card, but it carries an annual fee, and many people ask, is it worth it? I've got a few tips for how to tell if the annual fee is worth the rewards you get. But before I get into it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful so far. It's a quick way for you to let me know you're enjoying the content so I can continue making more videos that help you folks save money, make money, and grow your businesses. Now, let's get back to the annual fees. One of the best ways to tell if an annual fee is worth the rewards you get is to use the same strategy we talked about earlier in the video, which means looking at your spending. Do you spend a significant amount of money in the rewards category the card offers? Does your spending habits or lifestyle complement the rewards you get from the card? Do you get more monetary value out of the rewards than the cost of the annual fee? Answering all these questions will point you in the right direction. However, if you're going to give a card with an annual fee a chance, many have special welcome offers where they waive the fee for the first year. So if you think a card with an annual fee is a good fit for you, but you're unsure if you'll get the value out of the card, you can typically try it for a year and see if it's beneficial to you and your business. If you don't think the rewards are worth the annual fee, most banks have a no annual fee version of that same card that you can transfer it over to instead. At the end of the day, it's all about doing your research and finding the card that works best for you. With so many cards out there, you're sure to find one with rewards and cashback offers that benefit your needs, both with and without an annual fee. So Take the time to research each card and use the tips from this video to maximize every reward point and cashback offer on your business's credit cards. If you want to learn more about how to acquire up to $250,000 of business credit and use it to grow your company, check out the video in the link in the description below. That video is packed with insightful tips to boost your credit profile and maximize business credit approvals. So be sure to check out that video. If you have any questions or there is a topic you want to see a video on, drop it in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I'll see you back here next week for our next video.